Hi everyone, this is Nathan here with Team GenerEOS, the block producing candidate that wants to give back to the community and to charity. I'm here at the EOSIO meetup in Sydney, Australia, and I wanted to announce that we just released a new article on steemit talking about MultiSig accounts and transactions on the EOS space. MultiSig is very important. It allows you to have multiple signatories prior to signing a transaction, such as moving money or executing a smart contract. It's sort of like the nuclear football where you have to put two keys before you can do anything. This is very important in a trustless cryptographic space because it allows you to work with people and have multiple permissions before something happens. Give it a read. It shows you how to do it via command line, and eventually simplified GUI platforms will be available. And remember, vote Team GenerEOS.